Nej för fan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nej fy fan. Oh my god, jag gråter så mycket. Nej, min bus. Oh my god. Alltså fy fan. Herregud, kolla. Det går bra. Oh my god. Jag hatar det här. Nu vill jag dö. Det var negativt i alla fall. Så det var ju tacksam. Jag utsatte mitt face för det helt i onödan. Någon som har tips på hur jag kan rädda det här? Japp.
Can you give me tissue?
You don't have a tissue. Don't sneeze on it. COVID alert.
Can you please get me a tissue, bro? That's how I've been all day.
Okay, there was one nostril. Hold up. You have to use the same one. Oh. Okay. I'm pretty sure I did it far enough. I just don't. I want it to be right, you know, guys. Hold up. Now we take the little cap off.
Insert it 3/4 of an inch in my nose. I hate this. Ugh. Now we're gonna swirl it in here for 30 seconds. Every time I do that, it makes me sneeze. Oh. Oh my gosh. And then squeeze this.
The goods! They gave us 5 tests. Whoop whoop! Should I just use all 5 of them? Vi actually kind of felt bad since they weed. 4 drops.
75. Oh my god, hold up. Oh my god. No. No fucking way. Okay, hold on.
And in somewhere there's a transition. Turn the good girls into bad bitches. But she would do it over if she had 3 wishes. She is me. One. I wish I never fell in love. 2.
God damn, yo, these.
I wish I never fell for
Okay, next
you.
side.
All 3. Just have one more wish. I go.
Lovely cotton swab up the nose. Sneezy. Sneeze again. Watery eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Essa me resta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vamos ver mais vezes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great job, great job, great job. Let me know when you're ready. I'm going to the next one. You got this.
Okay, let's go ahead and get the other one.
All right, let's get it. I'm going for it. Calm down, okay? Good job. You did great.
Oh my god. That's the
I can't sneeze. I can't. I've done it 3 times. I can't. I can't fucking sneeze. I'm fucking. Oh my god.
Best thing I've ever fucking done in my life. I feel fine. This literally makes me cry. And then you squish it in the little solution. Okay, I put it in. I'm gonna sneeze. Hey! Excuse me. So just put it back here. Okay.
Je peux pas. Non, je peux pas. Je peux pas, comment on fait? Ah non, je peux pas. Ça gratte déjà le nez. Ça chatouille. ça chatouille.